Evidence, it's time to make a claim to choose which is the best place for the orangutan preserve. The first evidence we looked at in our Google form was the evidence about temperature. Evidence card 1 and evidence card 4 had the strongest evidence because those cards showed temperature amounts that were almost as high as the temperature in Borneo. We know that orangutans prefer really hot and really rainy places. I got rid of the evidence card 8 because I can't tell how hot it is when an ice cube melts. I got rid of evidence card 12 because the temperature of 86 degrees just wasn't high enough. And I got rid of evidence card 2 because the sentence, it was hot, is someone's opinion. That doesn't tell me exactly how hot or cold it might be. So I see that so far, Ark Island and Blue Island are the two islands I still might consider for the reserve. I know that I can cross out claim C because Creek Island just isn't warm enough. Now let's look at the precipitation data. Evidence card 3 isn't good evidence because it just says there was a little rain. Evidence card 5 isn't good evidence because it says the rain filled 2 bowls. And we know that we can't tell whether those bowls are the same size, how big they were, how small. So that doesn't tell us a comparable data. Evidence card 6 says it was raining on one day. That doesn't give me evidence about how often it rains or how much it rains when it does rain all day. Evidence card 7 did give me data in millimeters, but it said 20 millimeters, and I know that's not enough rain per day for orangutans. Evidence card 9 said that the rain filled 3 mugs. Just like evidence card 5, I can't compare those, so that data isn't good data. Evidence card 10 says the Creek Island precipitation on one day, there was a lot of rain. While I know that I want a lot of rain, I don't know what a lot means to one person or another. I need to have that measurement in the units that we can compare, which is why evidence card 11 was the best evidence from this set about precipitation. It told me that Blue Island precipitation on one day is 38 millimeters of rainfall. So looking at this data, I see only one island that has enough precipitation. So which claim do you think was best supported by the evidence? Do you think that Ark Island is the best weather for orangutans, Blue Island, or Creek Island? I'll go back to the evidence and let you take a look, and then you can answer a question to close out today's lesson.